ClassMonitor's Skill Booster Mental Math Kit is here to drive your child's math fear away. With our gamified approach, we ensure that your child's learning and playtime go hand in hand. We make sure that with the help of our games, puzzles, and various activities, your parent and child bond enhances. The kit comes with about 200 plus study materials on essential mathematical concepts like subtraction, multiplication, addition, etc. to build a strong mathematical foundation for your child. The kit contains worksheets and printables, tiles and counters, fact cards, game boards, multiplication puzzles, deck of game cards, rewritable maths, DIY activities, and marker, dice and counter. All this to make your child's learning experience more engaging and result-oriented. Along with this kit, you get a year-long subscription of the ClassMonitor app that includes a detailed parenting guide as to how to conduct these activities, daily planners and a resource library, parenting tips and a global parent community, performance tracker and a one-click expert support. All of this to help the parents make their child's learning journey more easy and fruitful from the comfort of their home.